Do you want to learn English fast, but you don't have any strategy, any plan, any guidance? So this video would be very useful for you because in this video I will share some strategies which would be very beneficial for you and you will be able to learn English fast. If you want to learn English very quickly, I think there is a one strategy. The more time you give, the more faster you will learn in a right direction. So for right direction, I will give you some tips how you can apply this step to learn English faster. You'll have to immerse yourself in English. Let's break down. For example, you will have to watch English content. You will have to speak. You will have to write. And you will have to read. Why we should read? We should read because if you read any book, anything in English language, that will boost your vocabulary. You will be able to improve your sentence structure and there is a too many benefit if you read books and why we should watch, why we should consume. If you'll watch any video, you'll listen anything in English, that would be very useful for you. If you'll watch anything, you will know how to pronounce word and you will be able to understand what they want to say. And if you will be able to understand, if you do speaking practice in that time, you will be able to produce knowledge. If you will have data, if you will have information, for that you will have to listen and you should do practice of speaking also, because without speaking you can't learn how to speak English. You heard na, like many person, they are able to understand English, they are able to uh, like uh, read books, they're able to understand meaning, but they are not able to speak because they never do practice of speaking. They think if I will be perfect, then I will speak English. No, you will have to start today. Today you will have to practice speaking also. Without speaking practice, you can't become a fluent English speaker. And where you can do practice of speaking, there is a too many application and you can use your mobile camera, you can use your audio recording, you can talk to yourself, you can do mirror practice, you can talk to yourself. There is a too many advantage these days. You can use whatever you want to use. So do practice of speaking. And if you watch any video, you can do one thing, like you can do shadowing. I think you already know what is the meaning of shadowing. Shadowing mean if you watch any video, so you will have to speak what have you learned from that video. And for things, you can write any topic if you like to write. So you should do practice of writing also if you like to do. And you are thinking like what I should watch. So it's up to you. Whatever you like, you can watch. So these four things, I think it will help you a lot for improve your English, for learning English faster. Learn vocabulary because you know what happen when we speak English, we stuck. Why we stuck? Because of lack of vocabulary. And you already know when we have a lack of vocabulary, we will not be able to make sentences. We will not be able to deliver our message clearly. So that's why you should work on your vocabulary and phrases. That will help you to speak more clearly and fluently. If you think you are weak in grammar, this is the right time to work on your grammar. If you know grammar, you will be able to speak correct. And if you speak correct, this is the sign of great speaker. I'm not telling you you should learn advanced grammar. No, only you should know basic grammar. And if you know basic grammar, that's enough. What happens when we talk with someone? We first of all think in our mother tongue language. After that, we translate that thing in English language. Then we speak. It will take too much time, energy, and it seems to us very difficult to explain what we want to say. So that's why think in English. If you think in English, it would be easy for you to explain your thought quickly, and it will be very easy for you. So think in English. Let's know how to think in English. If you see any product, try to speak that product name in English. And if you go anywhere, you see anything, try to speak English sentences. And if you want to know more about how to think in English, so I already made video about this topic. You can watch that video. Use technology. You know, technology save our time. You can use ChatGPT. You have any doubt, you can ask to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will provide you answer. And you can use Pinterest. There is a too many application you can use for English conversation, for any doubt, for learning anything, grammar, vocabulary, whatever you want to learn. And if you want to know in a deep manner which resources is very beneficial for learning English, I already made video about this topic. You can check it out. Be consistent because you know consistency play a big role. If you want to become a fluent speaker, try to do practice regularly.